Hi Kipper fam, this is Yuli coming up with another video. This time we're going to show you how to do the 3-layer fitting braids, and we're gonna use the Ghanaian style. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. I will be talking less on this video. I'll just let the braiding do the talking. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. This is the first layer completed. Right now I'm showing you guys, this is just plain braids, 3-legged braids, and we're gonna start with the second layer. Stay tuned. Now I went ahead and completed the second layer. Now I'm just starting the third layer of it, but you guys could see from the camera how the second layer was done. I'm just gonna show you what I do and how I do the feeding braids from the second and third layer. They literally the same method. So I'm just showing you guys how to do that. Please don't forget to subscribe on the channel and give us a thumbs up. And so go ahead and continue watching the video till the final look. The way that I parted the hair, it's at an angle, just to give it a little bit of style. But literally that is the same method. I use the Ghanaian method for the feeding braids and not the regular feeding method. And go ahead and keep on watching. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if you have any question or if you have any requests. Thank you. now this is the finished look. I dropped it already in hot water and make sure that the hair is steamed out to avoid any itching. So I'm applying the foam lotion in the hair, and you're gonna see that I applied all over the hair, front and back, just to make sure that I have everything down and perfect. Just keep on watching for the finished look. So obviously her little sister was messing around with her, and she didn't want the fact that she was messing around her, so she blocked her face. So here comes the pictures. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like that, please leave a comment down below. Let me know how I did and if I did a good job. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Doses. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye.